Okay, attention looters. This crate is designed differently than any other crate before it. Please read the first page of the magazine to see how. It's broken. Okay, first thing I see is this. Halo. I don't play Halo. I don't play. Ooh, Mega Man. Mini helmet. Hey. Ooh, I got Rushman. Put it on my head. There you go. There, that's good. Cool. Next t-shirt. I don't know what this is from. What is this from? Oh no. Okay. Street Fighter.
Headband.
Sync. Yeah. I'm sure. Ooh. Ooh. A little Assassin's Creed Unity bag. Ooh. Whoa. Got a coin. Cool. Cool. We should get Assassin's Creed Unity. It's multiplayer on it, Dad. Button! See that? It's Loot Crate November 2014 battle. Oh, hey. Pirates vs. Ninjas. I choose ninjas. My sister chooses pirates. Of course. Pirates. Oh. Cool, I got 50% off. Lichdom. Can't show you the code. Can't show you. Full game download for Street Fighter 4. $20 value.
Sweet.
Okay. Next. Whew. Okay. First page. Here is the front. Looks like there's something at the back. So, like...
Stickers?
No, not stickers.
Yep, stickers.
No, those aren't stickers. Those are stand-up things.
Oh, stand up.
Stand-up things.
Alright. Is that it?
Yep. This is what... What the heck? Got this. That's the best part. That's what the inside is. Well,